tree bark, a piece of tree bark, is what prompted you all to be in court.
Let's roll, nerds.
For the city of Riverview.
And good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Terry Johnson, P70773, on behalf of the city of Riverview.
All right, thank you. Okay. And so, Mr. Calipari, your name for the record, please.
And Daniel Calipari.
Okay. And so today is the date scheduled for Mr. Calipari for an arraignment pretrial and for Mr. Moss for a formal hearing. I understand that these are on two separate matters, but given the frequency of both of your visits to the court and the communications within the Riverview Police Department amongst yourselves, the court found it appropriate to have both of your cases called simultaneously. Mr. Shunke, as to the arraignment on your client.
Reading my license, dude.
Court will waive the formal reading, enter a plea of not guilty for purposes of the arraignment, and as to the pretrial counsel.
You know, the adjourn this matter for some comparison.
All right, so this court's going to adjourn this matter for compliance by Mr. Calipari. February 23rd. You're not here that day, but I mean, 4 weeks is February 9th. You're back that day, that would be 30 days. So we can do that thing.
Wait a
9:15 a.m. Okay. The court's going to order a $3,500 personal bond. Now, let me be very clear. So the people are moving to dismiss Mr. Moss's charge of littering, correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
And this is a result, I believe, of the tree bark at issue with Mr. Calipari's criminal charge of assault and battery, correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Okay.
Just for the record, I believe there was a dispute between the parties, and it appeared to be mutual, so we, the case against Mr. Calipari is dismissed. We thought it would be in the best interest of justice to do the same for Mr. Moss.
Okay. Did you two hear that?
I did
And what part of that did you hear?
the entire thing.
Okay. Tree bark. Tree bark. A piece of tree bark is what prompted you all to be in court. Tree bark. Because somebody didn't like it on their car. Who cares? Who cares? And who cares what tree it came from? Is it really that important? Mr. Moss, is it really that important?
Sir, I have no trees on my property. It is.
So if you're at a store, sir,
Mhm.
and a leaf falls on your tree, or on your car, what do you do about it?
Okay, but we're not talking about one piece of tree bark here.
That wasn't my question.
A leaf is nothing, but we're talking about numerous pieces of tree bark in this instance. Yes, only one placed on my vehicle, but still numerous pieces of tree bark over time.
Sir, again, if you were at a store, say a piece of tree bark fell on your car when you were at a store, what would you do?
Leave it.
Right. Right. Would you call the police?
Not if I was at a store.
What's that?
Not if I was at a store.
Okay, and you would remove it. Where would you put it?
I don't know. I'd probably either inside my vehicle so I could get rid of it, or, depending on conditions outside, maybe back outside. I'm not certain. It would depend on the moment.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Calipari. What about you?
Your Honor, this isn't about tree bark. This guy has been,
That wasn't my question. Because clearly the two of you are so antagonistic of each other that you drain the resources of the Riverview Police Department. Over 800 calls have been made in less than 5 years, over half of which involve specifically Mr. Calipari. But Mr. Moss, you contacted the Riverview Police Department over 800 times via 911 and non-emergency lines. There are definitely not 800 extremely urgent, life-threatening emergency situations that would have prompted you to contact the Riverview Police Department. Mr. Calipari, you 100% antagonized Mr. Moss. If there is tree bark anywhere, who cares? Who cares? Do you have a leaf blower?
Yes.
Great. Blow it off your lawn, onto the street. Or pick it up and put it in the trash.
Right, but yes.
Do not conduct yourself in such a fashion that you're going to antagonize Mr. Moss. And I'll state for the record, Mr. Moss submitted a video. I don't remember at what point there was a video. It was silent because I think he may have been recording or something at the same time. I don't know. But Mr. Moss was videotaping your house. He was videoing your house, Mr. Calipari. And yes, while it's frustrating, it's all of those adjectives. You come out of your house and then you come right to the property line. And you're running your mouth saying something I don't know because there wasn't a volume. Why even leave your house to go confront Mr. Moss?
Your Honor, we don't have a doxing law in this state, but he's doxing me.
Okay, excuse me, just one moment. Do you think that by going and speaking to him, he's going to stop?
Yeah, no.
No, so why bother? Why bother? If you think that there's a violation of the law, then make a police report. If you think that Mr. Moss is doxing you, which I believe that there is something in the statutes regarding that,
I've looked, Your Honor. I don't think there is.
well, if you make a police report, sir, and the police officers send it to the Wayne County Prosecutor's Office, they'll do their research to determine whether or not there's a charge. I don't know. But that's how something happens for a violation of a law. It doesn't do there's zero benefit by going over to the property line to say something to Mr. Moss.
Such an idiot.
Let me see what your best move is. Jeez.
Other than it's going to prompt another police report, another case, and you two coming back to court. If you two want to visit the court that often, come by whenever you want. It's open. You don't have to wait till you have a criminal case here or a civil infraction. Come whenever. Come whenever. Let me be very clear, Mr. Moss. Mr. Calipari has been given a citation regarding some of the issues that are going on. I believe it's in the back of the house. During this adjournment period, there is not to be any communication with anybody working at his house or with Mr. Calipari or any videoing of Mr. Calipari doing his work. You're not to live stream any video of Mr. Calipari doing work in the backyard. Am I clear on that?
Yes, Your Honor.
None. Zero. Not a live stream, not anything. Oh, here's Mr. Calipari finally doing what he's supposed to be doing, or whatever else is going to be. Not happening. Not happening. There's not to be any calls to the Riverview Police Department regarding Mr. Calipari's home within the adjourned period of time either. Are we clear on that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Calipari, if Mr. Moss is doing any of the things that I just stated he is not permitted to do, which is going to be put into a written order, don't address Mr. Moss. Contact your attorney. Contact your attorney. Or then your attorney will contact the prosecutor that can file whatever motion needs to be filed. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Johnson.
Your Honor, just in light of, what has been going on, I would place on the record that, should anything come back through this court, the city of Riverview will look to prosecute to the fullest extent of the law. There will be no such, consideration of things, so I just want to make sure that's on the record so both parties are aware that if anything comes back, we will be looking to prosecute to the fullest extent of it.
All right, thank you. Do you both hear that?
I did.
Yes.